Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerisms are the isomerisms, stereoisomerism, which differ in spatial arrangement of atoms or groups attached to double bonds or rings, and the phenomena is called geometrical isomerism. So this geometrical isomerism can be in the double bond or cyclic compound also. For examples, see when you go for and the some geometrical cyclic compound also undergo geometrical isomerism. So here you see now and the CH3 group and both CH group in above plane, and so it is called chess. And suppose in this in opposite plane, and it is called now trans. So here also this you see here both the chlorine is are in a below plane, so it is this, and one is above and another one is below, so it is now trans. Okay, so why what is the reason? um, the only the double bond compound has geometrical isomers are just cyclic. So whenever there is a uh, restriction in the rotation, and there is a possibility of double geometrical isomerism, right? So now the geometrical isomerism in according to our syllabus, and we have a geometrical isomerism in various options. You see here, suppose the with the double bond, it can be the compound can be on four different groups. Okay, and if any one group is similar, and you can say it is cis or trans. And suppose if any group is you see here in this example, and these three examples there is no possibility of geometrical isomerism. So here and here there is no possibility of isomerism, because and here the same carbon atom, the one carbon atom is attached to the same group and cannot be say whether it is above plane or below plane. So that's the reason. So this type of compound you see here, methyl, only one methyl and three hydrogens, and moreover, and the carbon atom is attached with the same group. Okay, so here this is the very important. Any one carbon atom is attached in the same groups like this. Okay, and you can it won't show geometrical isomerism, right? And that is important aspect is um, so here you come for cis and trans only possible when, and at least the one same group in different carbon atom is there, then it can say it is a cis and trans. And here the some of the demerit are there, and so here you cannot say in which it is nomenclature. You can fail to specific nomenclature. You cannot give. Only you can say cis or trans, and you cannot mention whether it is above or below plane. And that's the reason when the four different group is available. For example, take this example here. Okay, and four different groups. Okay, here it is chlorine and bromine and CH3 and hydrogen. So two carbon atoms, which is double bonded relationship, is linked with four different groups. In this case, and the geometrical isomerism goes for EZ nomenclature. So this so here, so in this case, it is for EZ nomenclature. Okay, so the EZ nomenclature for the is a specific nomenclature. It's given by okay for the can, in, hold, and Verilog. Okay, so according to this, how to name this? Here the E and Z. The E stands for okay endigene, and Z stands for Zusuma. So endigene means it is an opposite each other, whereas Z mean for same side. Okay, and to find whether it is opposite or the same side, and you got to go for priority. So the double bond attached group, the priority must be go for the groups which is double bond, the carbon atom of group which is attached with the The group which is attached with the same carbon atom, you see here, here the carbon atom is attached to the two bromine and chlorine, and that must be, you have to go for a priority. The high priority will have a higher, we can say number one, and low priority you can give number two. The same way you have to give for another carbon atom which is two groups are attached, and you have to give the for high priority. The fixing of priority and will be the of some rules. The rule number one, you got to find the atomic number first. Which have a higher atomic number will have a higher priority than other. For example, here in the in the case of this, and bromine will have a higher atomic number than the chlorine. So the bromine will have a higher priority than the chlorine. So it is a 1. Number 2, it's a 2 here. And the same case here, the carbon has, the first atom only has to be taken in account. The first atom carbon has a higher atomic number than the hydrogen. So this give a higher priority than this. Now you see, look on that, and 2, 1, that 2 number higher priority will be in the same side. So it will be a Z isomer. Suppose if it is an opposite, examples here in this case, see here now the same compound, but it is in a different position. In this case, the formula is reverse, and now the 1 and 2 in opposite side, so it is in a E. The same way you can go for all the compounds, so E, Z and configuration. Suppose in this case, suppose when go for this case, and this is a carbon atom here, and one carbon atom is here, and another carbon atom is here, and this is in a C, and this is one hydrogen will be here, okay, and here there is an C, and when compared to this bromine and C, this is our number 1, and this is number 2, okay, this is number 2, and in this case this is number 1 and this is number 2, hydrogen is lower, so the both one are in higher priority in the same side, so it is called same side means Z. And whereas the same way you can go for this also. So here it's a third carbon atom. It's a, so here there is a hydrogen will be here, and here hydrogen also will be here, right? And here, and this will be the number 1, and this the hydrogen will be number 2, and this hydrogen will be number 2, and this will be 1. So here ones are in opposite. Okay, so these ones are in opposite, so it is an E. So this way, so now the name is 3-bromo, 3-Z and 5-E octadiene. And this way you can go for nomenclature of EZ and okay. So this is the geometrical isomerism and nomenclature of E and Z system. That's all about E and Z. Thank you very much.